Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I'm gonna show you a few display tricks that you should try on this smartphone. So let's start with something that makes a huge visual difference in this device, I mean motion smoothness. To find this feature you have to open the settings and scroll down a little bit to move to the display. And here we have motion smoothness. Open these settings. As you can see, there is standard and adaptive feature. The standard one gets longer battery life by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 60 Hz, so it's a very low amount. If you need your device running smoother and animations will be better, or scrolling, swiping, gaming, whatever you want, you have to choose the adaptive one. This allows your screen refresh rate, use it on up to 120 Hz, so it's very good amount for these days in smartphones. I recommend to use it. Let's move to the second trick, which gonna be changing the font style. Of course, it's the settings in a display tab. You have to scroll down a little bit, and here we have a font size and style. Open the font style, and here you have default fonts that you can use. You can change it to your preferences. You can take a look how it looks. But if you need some other fonts, you have to press here on download fonts, and you can download any font that you want. You can buy one or download for free some of them. I recommend using free ones because it's not looking that bad. But you're gonna go for what you want, of course. Let's move to the third trick, and this trick is very cool because it's changed the resolution of screen. To find these settings you have to move to the display tab once again and scroll down, and here we have a screen resolution. Open this tab, and as you can see we have three available options. The first one is HD+, is the lowest resolution. It saves the battery, so if you're running out of the power and you don't have charger with yourself, you can of course enable it, but it's the visual of screen is worse. Of course the animations will be worse, so I recommend to use it on QHD+, of course. You're watching the videos on high resolution, which is pretty nice, or gaming on high resolution. I recommend this feature. Let's move to the next trick, and it's gonna be adjusting the look of camera cutout for chosen apps. The camera cutout, I mean the notch here, we're gonna change in some specific applications. It's gonna look like there is on the top of display the dark area, black area, so the notch is not visible like that. To change it you have to one more time open the display and scroll down to find the camera cutout option. It's here. Open it and choose the applications you want to change the camera cutout. You have the graphic here how it looks. I'm gonna show you how it looks, for example, on Chrome. You have to, it's gonna be by default on auto settings. You have to of course choose the hide camera cutout, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. I open the Chrome, and as you can see there is black area here, the notch is not visible. I prefer to use it in that way. And now we can move to the last trick, and it's enabling or disabling the screen touch options. So if you accidentally touch the phone in your pocket or bag, the screen is not gonna work if you activate this option, so it's very useful. To do it you have to open the settings one more time and move to the display tab, and here find accidental touch protection. I recommend to enable this option. As you can see, it's protecting your phone from accidental touches when it's in dark places, such as a pocket or bag. I recommend also to activate the touch sensitivity. This increases the touch sensitivity of the screen if you're using the screen protectors. Well, I guess you're using the screen protectors, so it's better to activate both of these options. Your screen will react faster and it's be better. Of course, it's fixed the problem with a packet. It's a very common problem for smartphone users. So that's gonna be all for today. I hope you like this video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!